Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
No matter which method you use to cook the salmon burgers, the best way to tell if they are done is by using an instant read thermometer. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of your burger. When the salmon burger reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, it is done. 5 August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Freshwater fish like trout and fish that spend part of their life in freshwater, such as salmon, may carry Diphyllobothrium tapeworm larvae. See information below. These small, whitish, and somewhat flabby worms are common in salmon from some areas of Alaska.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The easiest way to see if your salmon has finished cooking is to gently press down on the top of the fillet with a fork or your finger. If the flesh of the salmon flakes, meaning it separates easily along the white lines that run across the fillet strips of fish fat, it's finished cooking. Take it off of the heat. 14th of August 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.